Hello kid, welcome back. Draw color and learn vehicle names. This is a car. Car. C-A-R, car. This is an ambulance. Ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. Ambulance. Ambulance. This is a school bus. School bus. S-C-H-O-O-L-B-U-S. School bus. School bus. This is a truck. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Truck. This is a fire truck. Fire truck. F-I-R-E. T-R-U-C-K. Fire truck. Fire truck. This is a tractor. Tractor. T-R-E-C-T-O-R. Tractor. Tractor. This is a jeep. Jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Jeep. This is a police car. Police car. P-O-L-I-C-E-C-A-R. Police car. Police car. This is a taxi. Taxi. T-A-X-I. Taxi. Taxi. This is a dump truck. Dump truck. D-U-M-P. T-R-U-C-K. Dump truck. Dump truck. Okay, kid, bye.